Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I'm gonna show you here the basic codes for BBS bar bending schedule, and these codes are using to find out the quantity of steel and bar bending schedule sheet. Let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. So the first one code we have the first one code for the first shape, okay, which is just the simple length of the steel, okay, straight steel, okay. So L is equal X. This is the first code, okay, from this point to this point. So this is X, so L is equal X. The second shape, we can find out the cutting length for the steel. So this is the second shape, okay, from this point to this point, this is X, and from here to here, this is B, right? So you can change the names for these two, okay. You can also get Y, Z, B, C, etc. okay. So I denoted it by X, and this one by B, and this one by R, because this is the radius, okay. So and this one is the R, okay, because this is the radius here, okay. So L, cutting length for the steel for this shape, L is equal X, this value, plus B from this point to this one, and subtract 0.5 R, okay. So R is a radius here in this point, okay. So and subtract also D. D is a die of steel in which we can make this shape for the steel, okay. And the other one, we have the third shape, and we have a code for that. L is equal X plus B, subtract 4D. X is this value from this point to this one, and plus B. B is at this point and this point, okay, and subtract 4D. So 4D is a constant for this. D is a die of steel, and also multiply with 4, okay. So it will give us the cutting length for this third one shape, okay. And the fourth shape, we have to find out the cutting length. So L is equal X plus B. X from this point to this one, and B from this point to this one, right? Now the other one, this is the arc, and the arc cutting length we can find out. L is equal X, because from this point to this point, this is the X value. So L is equal X, right? And now we have to find out the cutting length for the circular stirrup also. We can use it, okay. So this is the dia, and suppose I say this is A, okay, from this point to this point, this is A, and this is the extra hooks, we can say, okay, which is B, okay. So L is equal pi A subtract D. A is this value, subtract D. D is a die of steel, okay, and plus B. So B is a value for this hooks, right? And we have the other shape, which is this one, which is the front of U. So you can find out. So this is the X value from this point to this one is B, and this is also the extra bar, which is C. So L is equal 2X, okay. So this is the X, okay, 2X. That's why, because 1X is this one from this point to this one, and one is this one. So X2, okay. So 2X plus 1.7B, okay. So this is the B, and 1.7 can extra we can use for this band, okay, plus 2C, okay. Why 2C? Because we have a 2C value. One is this one, and other one is this C value, okay. This is the extra length, okay. So and subtract 4D, okay. 4D is also using for this one, which I have done also here, okay, right. So this one is the last one, okay. So how we can find out the last one shape? So we can simply use the formula for this. L is equal, okay. So here start from this point, okay. So A this value from this point to this one, plus B, okay, and plus X plus B, and plus D, okay. So here you can subtract the bands, okay, from which one you can you can just subtract the bands, this point also, this point, this one, and this one. So it will comes with the formula, because 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, and 12 plus 4, 16, okay. So subtract from all these. Okay, 16D. What is D? D is a Daya of Steel. Okay, this one right here. Okay, so 16D. So it will give us the cutting length for this shape. Okay, so these codes and shapes are too much important to find out the quantity of steel in bar bending schedule. Okay, and for more videos you must share this video with your friends and also like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more update videos. Thank you. All the best. Bye.